शाहरुख और आमिर के साथ मैंने अपना पहला फ़िल्म किया था जब ये लोग बहुत बड़े सुपरस्टार्स थे और मैं एकदम न्यू कमर थी. तो आई थिंक इट इज़ द कम्फर्ट लेवल दैट यू हैव विद सर्टन आर्टिस्ट दैट यू वांट टू वर्क विद. कि जैसे अगर मुझे ऑफ़र आता है एक मतलब एक्टर के साथ जिसके साथ मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल हूँ, तो आई विल वांट टू डू द मूवी इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ वेदर ही इज़ अ हिट और अ फ्लॉप. अभी अगर जो लोग सक्सेसफुल है, अगर मैं कंफर्टेबल हूँ उनके साथ काम करके, ये मेरी गलती तो नहीं है ना. मैंने अपना करियर शुरू किया था एज अ न्यू कमर एंड द पर्सन प्लेइंग ऑपोजिट मी वाज शादाब खान. तो ही वाज आल्सो अ न्यू कमर एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बस ऋतिक तो खैर मेरे बाद आया है इंडस्ट्री में. तो ऋतिक के साथ भी काम करना मुझे अच्छा लगता है. जैसे मैं अभिषेक के साथ भी काम करती हूँ, ये लोग सब मेरे बाद में आए, लेकिन इट्स नाइस वर्किंग विद देम. ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है, तो फिर हर टिपिकल बंगाली गर्ल फिर मेरी तरह एक्टिंग करने लगेंगी, ऐसी बात नहीं है. लेकिन आई थिंक आई हैव बीन लकी टू हैव डायरेक्टर्स लाइक मनी रत्नम एंड कमल हसन डायरेक्टिंग मी इन दीज टू फिल्म्स. एंड आई गेस दे आर रियली ग्रेट विथ लाइक आर्टिस्ट. और कमल हसन जी खुद एक्टर रह चुके हैं, तो जब वो आर्टिस्ट को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं सीन्स तो वो बहुत अच्छा होता है. एंड सिमिलरली विथ मनी सर, वो जिस तरह से एक आर्टिस्ट को मतलब डायरेक्शन देंगे, ही विल मेक यू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट एज यू नॉट डन बिफोर. अगर मैं एक सीन मेरी तरह से करना चाहूँगी तो वो बोलेंगे ये मत करो, ये आप बहुत ख़राब कर रहे हो, आप ऐसे तरह से करो, तो यू फील गुड. हम तुम में मेरा किरदार जो है, इट्स जस्ट लाइक द गर्ल दैट आई एम. और जैसे हम लड़कियां देखते हैं, जैसे आपकी तरह मेरी तरह, और जैसे कि हम बॉम्बे में बहुत सारी लड़कियों को देखते हैं या दिल्ली में देखते हैं, ऑल द मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज़ में, जो कि मतलब एजुकेटेड है, मॉडर्न है, और बट येट हैविंग ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यूज़ और इंडियन बाय हार्ट. तो आई एम प्लेइंग दैट काइंड ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर एंड माई रोल वेरीज फ्रॉम एन एज फ्रॉम 21 to 28. तो वो 10 मतलब उसके साथ क्या क्या होता है, हाउ शी मैच्योर्स विद ईच फेज इन अ लाइफ एंड हाउ एट डिफरेंट एजेस हाउ शी इज़. तो द फिल्म इज़ अबाउट दैट. एक्चुअली ये फिल्म में सैफ अली खान, जो कि करण कपूर का किरदार निभा रहे हैं, ही इज़ अ कार्टूनिस्ट इन द फिल्म एंड ही इज़ द वन हु हैज़ इन्वेंटेड दिस हम एंड तुम कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स. तो कैसे ये कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स मुझे और सैफ को डिपिक्ट करते हैं फिल्म में, इट्स लाइक अबाउट दैट. बट इट्स नॉट एज इफ वी आर हैविंग टू डू एनीथिंग विद द कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स, but they just talk about the differences that a girl and boy have with one another, what their mindsets are, how their mindset is, how a girl reacts to situation, how a boy reacts to a situation. So the cartoon characters are just a insight into a boy's mind and a girl's mind. So they tell you at each point in the film that what is actually happening at that point, and then a transition takes place after that. And the cartoon characters are very sweet in the film. A lot of people think that cartoon character is me, but it's not. But then in the film, like, you tend to think that yes, they finally get into my character and in Saif's character, because unconsciously Saif is writing about Hum Tum in the film, and Hum Tum is actually me and Saif, but it doesn't start with it. He just creates the two cartoon characters. Actually, I'm very happy that Kunal thought of me for this film, और उनको मेरे पर भरोसा था और मुझे उन पर, क्योंकि वी ऑलरेडी डन अ फिल्म, एक कंफर्ट लेवल था टू बी वर्किंग विथ हिम. और जब मैंने कहानी सुनी पहली बार, तो मेरा इंस्टेंट रिएक्शन यही था स्क्रिप्ट नरेशन के बाद कि मुझे ये पिक्चर करनी है. बिकॉज व्हाट आई रियली फाउंड न्यू इन द फिल्म वर द कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स and the things in the film that this girl is, how Riya is as in her characterization. I thought it was very new, and it was about how a girl today would be in a normal circumstance. Like, there is no hypocrisy, like everything is direct, people are talking straight, very like girls and boys of today will relate with the film. So there's no hypothetical situation. Like everything, you will feel that it's not happening. Either it could have happened in your life, or you've seen your friends going through it. So it's something that you can relate with. Yeah, it is a new age sensibility. It is about a boy and girl of today, how they would talk in a date, or how would they react to a situation. And I think the differences between a man and a woman, like if they're placed in a similar situation, how a woman would react and how she would think of the entire thing, and how a man would. Because women are more caring and they're more emotional, and the men are little what do you say, immature, and they never want to grow up. So I think these are the kind of sensibilities which they've tried to capture in the film, and how at different age a person's mindset is different. Like, boys when they're 18 and 20, they just don't want to do anything about their life, just want to flirt and they want to have a good time, and they're not really bothered. At the same time, when they're 28, they become more responsible because they want to take up a career and they want to really do something. So, and even in this film, like for Ria, her relationships and her personal life is really important, but not at the cost of her career. So it also depicts how women today are, because they are also very career oriented and they don't want their personal lives to come in between their work. And in the film, it's very rightly shown how life goes on. When you lose someone or if you get someone, but the life doesn't stop, life goes on. And like, it's very beautifully done. There is no first love at first sight kind of a syndrome in this film. Like, I think it's very basic. It's something that I must have gone through in my school life, or like I've had friends like who are like Saif in the film, and likewise Saif has had friends who are like Ria in the film. So I guess it's something that we all relate to in our day-to-day lives. Actually, thankfully, I've chosen roles, or by the blessings of God, I've got roles with which I can experiment. Like in Yuva, I had a director like Mani Ratnam who wanted that kind of look for the film. He wanted a raw look. He wanted a de-glamorized look. Like, he wanted a girl who is very educated. At the same time, she's from a lower middle class family. So I had to wear cotton saris which were like washed 100 times before I actually wore it in the film. I would like to give it a feel that it's worn several times. So I think the costume is half what I should be doing as in my in my performance. If I look the character, half my battle is won. Because if I start looking like my character, you immediately relate with Shashi and Yuva, because she looks the character. Similarly in Ria, like in Hum Tum, when I'm playing Ria, I'm supposed to be very glamorous. I'm supposed to be a today's girl, really hot, happening. At the same time, she's modern and yet traditional. So I guess both the looks are different, but I don't think there is anything younger or not younger. Because in Hum Tum also, I've played from age 18 to age 28. So there's a gradual change in my looks also, and the way my attitude is, the way my body language is. So I guess in Hum Tum it's like more modern, and in Yuva it's more traditional, and it's more what do you say, Indian, I would say. No. There are no songs and dances around the cartoon characters, but I love the songs of Hum Tum, especially the romantic song. So I really enjoyed doing them, and I guess there's a song which is like my solo song called Gore Gore Se Chore, and I really like that number because Ria at that point of time is very much like me. So I really like that song. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हम तो, for me, from the last 2-3 years, I've been doing films because I want to be satisfied creatively, and I want to be part of good cinema, and I want to be working with the people who I enjoy working with and who I have a comfort level with. So Hum Tum, you could call it a film that I've done because I wanted to be part of a good film, and I was working with all my friends. I think it was a lot of fun because these kind of films are very rarely made, which are only on like two characters, because there's a lot of responsibility, because if the two characters don't work, then the film doesn't work. So we really have to work hard so that the chemistry looks good and the two characters are vibing well together. It's very important for the films, for the main two characters to really vibe. And usually, like as an artist, I can tell you that doing casual scenes is much more difficult than doing dramatic scenes. And Hum Tum is about a film which it is a very casual film. So every scene, like, we had to really rehearse and we had to really get the timings right, because when you are doing comedy, you have to get your timing right. So I guess the film, like, we had a lot of adventure while doing it, because every scene we're trying to do something different. We're trying to make it look natural, at the same time trying to do something with it so that the audiences enjoy and think that it's different. I was very comfortable with him क्योंकि सैफ की मम्मी बंगाली है, और उनके साथ मेरा कॉमन टॉपिक ये रहता था कि सैफ मुझे बोलते थे कि मुझे बंगाली में कुछ चीज़ बताओ ताकि मैं अपनी मम्मी को जाके मतलब सुना दूँ. तो हमारे बीच में वो एक मतलब बंगाली कनेक्शन था. Actually, I've got very good responses for like Yuva, and people have reacted very well. thankfully God has been kind, that in big star cast film, like if you get noticed, I think it's a very big thing.
Yeah, and a comeback character.
Yeah, I think Manisa says that because actually it is the strongest character in the film, because when you're playing a character who's a low middle class girl married to a person who is like into beating up people and things like that, it's very difficult for a wife to go through that, first of all. And if you've seen the movie, like, you'll realize that Shashi's character is a character who's not taking the beating because she's a weak character. She's taken the beating because she wants to tell her husband that, see, I'm with you and I'm going to take you to the right path. And this is with whatever I can do. So she loves him to death. At the same time, she knows what she's doing. And she's not vulnerable. She's a very strong character, because a woman who goes through this cannot be weak at all. And she's the person who stands up and says that I want to change you. So I think it's a lot, because to go through that kind of pain and trauma and coming back into the husband's life speaks a lot for the woman.